Section 13 will show us how to add an extender resource as a table to the SmartList Builder setup. The extender resource table type allows you to add the windows and forms that have been defined in Extender. This includes the scrolling grid, or the detail fields as they sometimes are called. With this, you can pull in all of the data that has been entered into your Extender windows and forms into SmartList Builder so that you can include it in your reporting. This was a new feature added in Microsoft Dynamics GP 2010. In Microsoft Dynamics GP 2015 release of SmartList Builder, the Extender Notes feature was also added as an Extender resource table type. It will show up under the Extender Windows option. Let's take a look at how we can add an Extender resource to SmartList Builder to pull in the data from our Extender windows and forms. So now we want to add an Extender window to our account transaction SmartList that we've been using, that we built in SmartList Builder using the account transaction SmartList earlier. To start, I'm going to show you the Extender window that I have set up just so you're familiar with it. And we have one set up on the journal entries. It's just going to track the reason for the entry and the entry approval. So who's approving it. Pretty simple window. I'll show it to you on the transaction entry. If I just pull up the last transaction here, you can see it's just a standard transaction. If I go to additional and pick my journal entry extra window, you can see I'm just tracking a little bit of information about that transaction. That's the data I want on my SmartList. And when I talk about the SmartList I want it on, I want to add it to this account transaction SLB list that we've been playing with. So we're just going to modify that. And now to add an Extender resource, I can go to the Add Table button, and we will see Extender resource as an option. So I'll select that. It asks me to pick the type of resource, a form or a window. We're dealing with windows. And our resource is that journal entry extra window. And now we just have to link it on like we would any second table or subsequent table. So we're going to pick the account transactions to link it to. And then our link method is going to be a left outer because I want all the transactions and any additional Extender data I've added. Not every transaction in my system has Extender data, so I don't want an equals. My link method, when you're using Extender resources, your link method is going to generally be whatever your key is on your Extender if you're using Extender window. Well, on our Extender window, the journal entry is our key, so we're going to use that as our link method there. And we'll click Save, and we'll save that resource. And now we see those two fields. We'll turn those on. I don't need the journal entry again because that is in my account transaction, so we're going to uncheck that for display as well, because if I leave it display, it shows in the columns button, and the users may get confused as to which journal entry field is which one. So we'll save this and let our list run here. And now I'm just going to order it by the reason for entry here, and you can see that entry that we have coming in for that record. So that's our Extender data. I haven't entered it for many transactions in my system. We just have that one, but it is pulling in that Extender data for us. So as easy as that, we can get our Extender data onto an existing SmartList, onto a new one we're building, wherever you want to add it. Please complete exercise 17 at this time. When you are done, continue with section 14. If you'd like to see exercise 17 completed by me, please play the section 13 exercise review.